What's up, guys? It's your girl Pretty Percent. That's spelled P-R-E-T-T-Y with a percent sign. Today, I'm going to show you my routine of how I put on my eyelash strips. But there's a twist to it. It's not going to be called eyelash strips when I get finished. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to my channel and then you hit that notification bell so that you can be up to date whenever I drop a new video. And make sure you subscribe. Don't just look at my videos and don't press subscribe. I'm too fly for you not to subscribe, okay?
We're gonna have to give this one 2 snaps up in a circle.
I'm going to show you about putting on eyelashes. It's been really requested from some of my friends because I usually put eyelashes on them. And now it's time for me to show you how to put them on. There's a twist to it. The lashes that I use, I got from Amazon, and they come in this little box. It's called Dye Silk. But when you open it up, it's like 5 of them in there. These lashes are faux lashes. They're like mink lashes, whispers. They look natural. I got the long ones. You know I like them long. The twist to it is that I cut them. I cut them so that it can be, for your eye. The things that you will need. You're going to need some hair bonding glue. You can get this from your local hair supply store, 99¢. You'll need some mascara. Get your own kind because I just get any kind really. This one right here, it extends your lashes. And I really don't have lashes. That's why I wear lashes, to enhance my beauty. Not that I'm not already beautiful, but I like to add on lashes just to enhance it. Then you're gonna need some eyeliner, black gel eyeliner. This eyeliner that I get, the name of it. It's waterproof. So if your eyes get all teary when you put on your lashes, the eyeliner won't drip. You're gonna need some tweezers. I got some little cute tweezers. And scissors, of course. Okay? Girls, you want to enhance your beauty. So you have to listen to me. Listen to me very closely, okay? You're not ugly. And lashes don't just make you look way better than what you look like already. It just enhances your beauty.
Exactly, honey.
I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. I'm gonna stand up. I peel it off. Okay. Let me show you just a regular little lash. Looks like a little butterfly. Now, if you try to just put these lashes on without cutting it, oh my goodness. I just want to show you how it really doesn't fit my whole eye. Like, it doesn't. It's all in the corner right here. So it's the reason why I cut them. Okay? I cut them in 4s. It's going to cut 1, 2, 3, 4. This is just how I do it. I'm just trying to give you some tips. Before you put your lashes on, you do want to wash your face, especially if you do this every morning. I use vitamin C soap that I will be dropping a video on that soap. It's from Arion Skin, so be on the lookout for that. You can use whatever soap and wash that you want to use. And then I've done my eyebrows already just to enhance my beauty. You can look at one of my videos that I have on teaching you how you do your eyebrows. It's a daily routine for me. Now, I'm going to get my glue, make a little puddle. I like to do it on the lash thing that I took it off of. So I got a little puddle of the glue. All right, I start from outwards to inwards. So start from the corner, go and work your way in. This is the first piece. I like to hold it down at the bottom of the lash. See? We're gonna dip the lash in the glue. Oh my gosh, I am hot, you guys. Sorry if I'm looking like I'm sweating and my face is oily looking. Before I put these on, I'm gonna put my mascara on first. Felt like it was something I was forgetting. I just put a little mascara on first, on both sides. You don't have to allow it to dry. Just do it. Do it, do it. You know, I started wearing lashes, really, I was working in a club as a photographer and I wasn't wearing them at first, but I started back in 2009 and I just used to see a lot of girls with longer lashes and I was like, man, these lashes are long, but nah, girl, I mean, no long real lashes. These are some fake lashes they have on. And I was like, let me try them. I was getting my lashes done at this, where was it? Oh my goodness, it was a long time ago. Like right in 2009, it's 2022 now. Yeah, I was getting my lashes done, paying $35 every time I went, and I was getting individuals. And from a lady named Princess or Diamond, I believe that was her name. But she used to have a line of people just waiting in chairs like they about to get their hair done and something, but they're getting their lashes done. So this was off of Old National Highway in Georgia, and the lady, she had her own little booth and she would do your lashes and she would go so fast doing these lashes, but she would charge you $35 and, you know, depending on how fluffy you want them and everything. And that was before they started making like a whole bunch of more fluffy and mink lashes and everything. But I was like, I'm not about to keep paying this money. I need to learn how to do it myself. So as much as she kept doing it, I just learned and I just started practicing on myself and I just did it. So I became a pro. All right, I'm gonna dip the lash on in. Now I can put it on. I just hold it like this, like I said. And I put it on the end, and you put it on top of your eyelash, as a matter of fact. Put it on top. Not too much all the way over in the corner, but we're on the end. Remember, we have 4 pieces, so we gotta make sure there's room to put the rest. So I just go in like that. Hey, it's kind of cute like this. I've seen some girls just wearing lashes on the ends. They make some like that too, but we ain't doing all that. We finna put the whole lash on. And just put it on like that. And voila. Now that you have your whole full lash on, if you guys have like a little brush, you could use that too. It's not really necessary to use, but instead of you using your finger or the tweezers, you could just use it to fluff it more. My eyes get a little watery sometimes if I'm staring in the light too long. All right, and then I go back and I just like kind of pinch them together. Remember I told you get your eyeliner? Now look at that. Look at that. Let me get my waterproof eyeliner. I'm gonna make a strip go across the top because it's right there where the glue is. You don't want to just go barely without any eyeliner on top. Oh, I done made it thick. Like that. All right. I'm gonna do the other eye so you can see the finished touch. there we have it. My eyelashes up close. I'm gonna look down so you can see. They fit way better since I've overlapped the lashes after cutting them. They fit way better. Now I'm ready to go out and party. What I'm doing right now is just cleaning up the glue with a Q-tip. You don't have to do this, but sometimes if you have real watery eyes like I do, they're dry eyes, which is called, your eyes will water a lot. But all right, and we can make it even cuter. Put some liner at the bottom so it can enhance more. Okay. Make sure you leave me a comment below. Let me know how I did. Let me know if you know how to put your own lashes on, and maybe you have some tips for me as well. And make sure you like and share my video. Until next time.
Drink from my sunshine.